Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Toyota Prius. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely to avoid distractions. Next, grab your phone and ensure its Bluetooth feature is activated and set to discoverable mode. This allows your Prius to find your phone during the pairing process. Having your phone ready will make the next steps smooth and easy. Now, let's get your Prius ready. On your car's multimedia display, locate and press the Setup button. From the Setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to register or add device. Choose this to instruct your Prius to start searching for available phones. The car will now be in discovery mode, waiting for your phone. With your Prius searching, look at your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see your Toyota Prius appear in the list of available devices. Select it. Your car's screen will then display a 4-digit passkey, often 1111. Enter this code into your phone when prompted. Finally, confirm the connection on both your phone and the car's display to complete the pairing. Once paired, make a quick test call to ensure hands-free calling works correctly. If you encounter any issues, first try deleting any old phone pairings from both your Prius and your phone. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone and the car's infotainment system can resolve minor connection glitches. Remember, a stable connection enhances your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.